Okay, put it on my makeshift tripod. I wonder if we can even get closer than that. No, I think that's about as close as we're gonna get. All right. And probably in about a minute, we're gonna be able to turn this from a worn out cushion to something that's gonna look a lot better. Just rubbing it with a cotton cloth here, recycled kids' clothes that don't fit them anymore. And the dye is going to absorb in the cracks, and it's not going to absorb on the surface where the original color is. Originally, this is colored with a urethane, and this dye will not absorb into that urethane, but it is going to absorb wherever there's a crack, wherever there's wear, and it's going to get in there and color it and make it look much, much better. Now, this is something that we offer at Leathersmith, the color rub. It does not fix the cracks in the leather, it only colors them. But it's a very cost-effective way to have your furniture's appearance look much better over the next, bunch of years. We also offer partial reupholstery, where we can remove the leather from the cushion and either generate you a completely new cushion or just change the top and then color it to match. So it's absorbing in and coloring it, and pretty soon we'll have a nice even color and a big improvement over looking at the worn out cracks. So you always want to wear rubber gloves because this dye is pretty penetrating and pretty strong, and it's meant to absorb into leather, and leather is a skin. So if it's meant to absorb into that, it's going to absorb into your skin, and it may not be the color that you want to turn yourself. So wear rubber gloves and don't drink it. All right, this is starting to shape up pretty nice. Now, sometimes I'll do more than one coat, and sometimes I'll do more than one color to get the desired effect. But this is the basic idea, and this is how you do it. All right, so we'll step back and we'll look at this. And then in the end, I'm going to condition it. Put some conditioner on the leather. So we'll have a nice finish to it. Let's take a look at that now. All right, much better than before. You don't see those dried out cracks. And we'll continue working on it. Any questions? You can send them to Leathersmith CT at yahoo.com, and our shipping address is 539 Litchfield Turnpike in Bethany, Connecticut. You can send any type of loose cushions or purses or small items that are practical to ship, and we'll be able to repair them for you and send them back. Thank you.